Hello everyone, so it's me Saif again, and I hope everyone is doing all right. So today again we are starting the journey or continuing the journey as always. For the first viewers who has always been seeing it or found me out today also, I wanted to let you know this is just educational purpose. Everything that I'm teaching it or everything, it's not about the how to get the money or something. It's about educational, that if you want to put your step forward into trading, how you can make it happen and how you can learn it, make notes about it, and how you can study the detail about it also. You can do type me on the comments, and I do have a Telegram channel also personally, where I have a small kind of community, and I'll show you. It's really interesting. I can always be available there. I'm always available there for each and everyone. I do type it. They do type me on personally on the Telegram also. So all the links have been down given below on the description channel, on the comment section. So go there down, click it, join me up. I'll be waiting for you for more knowledges and more of the things that we can do it, and more of the journey what we have been proceeding into trading and learning. It's really make me nostalgic many times when I start to speak about this, because after this it started to change life really lot into a reality what we proceeded. It's really different. It's really different when you start making money against time, and you save a lot of time and make a money that it's unbelievable sometimes, so it's not, I will not say it's easy, but I think it's worth it. It's because all the easy things that you do in life, it's not worth it. You need to do something, other things that other people are not doing it to make it exceptional. So that's what is the thing. So let's go and start step by step and each and everything. So two of the indicators we'll be using, the first one is this, and the second one that I'll be using is which is that, where is my envelope? Yes, and the third one I'll be using is RSI. So this is very simple. It's really basic, as I can make it happen into a way. So as you can see it here also, you just need to change some styles and just make it 2px. As always, I make the opacity also, it, like I just make the universal colors also and whatever it is. And here you need to just change it to EMA. Make sure you do that, because it's really important when you start to more trade and go more ahead and get to know the bits and coins of how this all things are happening. You'll start to understand it while you read the charts really well, to be really honest, and indicators. So here also the opacity has been increased perfectly, and just 2px. That's all. So everything has been done, everything has been set. So we start with again the same thing, small steps, step by step, how we can make it. So let's go and start, and each and everything I'll explain you as we go more further. So we always start with the first basic. Check the charts here. As you can see, really 2348, as you can see, really a pullback. And here again, as you can see it, how it has been going it with the alligators. So let me get into a clear view more, so you'll understand it. And here, yes, so I can make you explain the interaction that we are having it into a way. So here, as you can see, RSI having a pullback, and still alligators and envelope has been merging it here and has been converging here also. So it has been the same thing that I wanted to let you know, that many of the times it's really easy. Many of the people do confuse and make it when they have it. These are two trend indicators I'm using it, to be really honest, for the binary option on pocket option, and this is one dominator indicator I'm using it. So as you know, as we move more further, I'll start to make it more analytically and more analysisally, because it's not only about always having the strategy, but it's always about analyzing the things also. So plus 326 is the first profit that we have it. So let's go and start right now again with let's go. So step by step we'll check more also. So as you see, denominator I've always checked with the left, 2339, 2344, 2346, and here also, and the same thing that has been converged up here also from the loop, from the envelopes and the indicators, as you can see. So this basic point, as you can see it here, when we mark it, So maybe you try to need to understand it like the conversion of how the red has been overlapping and making it happen, but the 3 is been overlapping with the same thing, as you can see it from the here conversion, from here and here. See, as you can see it here and here, and as you can see the same pullback on 2346. So that is what the thing I wanted to let you know also. So many of the times it's really easier into this way. It's not so much like in my previous video I have understand and made it understand like how we need to amalgamate it and melt it up into one kind of form. So many of the times you need to understand how the pullbacks happen and how this kind of things happen. And the real thing that I wanted to let you know right now also, the small kind of things that we tend to make it and happen mistakes, that I wanted to point it out right now, is about this thing. So when you see about here, as we see it, the mistake that we have done is 2345, and here we have done it, and the same kind of intersection was there, and we still took a trade about it because both the envelopes and indicators were showing it, but we still have the RSI one below the baseline. So it's like this. Okay, so it's not a problem. Let's go and check it out, the third one, and still we'll check step by step. Here it was been a pullback, and here how wonderfully it was been a little bit of viscous, and here a small pullback. God, sometimes it's really you how much ever I see this kind of screen and I understand it, still I'm agog by what is the kind of thing. It still make me put my mind sometimes. So it's not only about always having a strategy, it is about like 90%, 100% or something that you can make it up to be, but still you need to always keep learning into a process, you know. So this is also not a good one, and this seems to be a perfectly kind of things that we have it and seem it to be a way, with a conversion, with a converse, with everything, with a loop, with a downfall and going upward sides, and in the intersection that we have it, same kind of loop both is having it. As you can see, it's 23, 49 and 30. You can see here the conversion and the loop upside, and here as you can see the same conversion and the loop and upside. So when it is like this, the same kind of, it was really beautifully, it was really made beautifully, this one. When I saw it, it was been known from this conversion and the same what was been RSI and this conversion. It was really beautiful. So you need to understand like more and more when you try to get into this, more and more you will start to understand also. So that is what the thing. Let's go and check. Okay, so let's go and check now step by step. This does not seem a good trade for us. This does not. 2346 and 2343 and 2346 and 2352. It's also very interesting. As you can see, the same kind of conversion, but envelopes is not showing the short kind of things. Alligators and RSI has been matching it the same. I'll show you here. 2348, the same loophole that we can see pull back. So it's not a best trade because 3 of the indicators don't match it. 2349 as 2351, 2353 and 30 here also. 2349. So 2346, 2330, 23 and 52 also seems to be like okay, yeah, there is a little bit of slightly pullback here also, and as you can see it into a way. So here it is like a trade that I took it somewhere or the other that makes it happens like this, of the kind of pullback that we have seen it before also. In many of the times I have shown you basically into envelopes and basically into many of this kind of things also repeatedly always. Like, don't make this mistake, guys. Please don't make this mistake when you see a pullback little and getting a conversion up with both the denominating indicators or anything, because somewhere or the other we might make a mistake. You need to always rectify and check it. So this is what the thing I wanted to let you know also, you understand. So let's take a, that is what the thing. So let's take a look again if we can find something else more really nice. Let's make it like, let's check it step by step. Oh, too unpredictable. You can see too unpredictable. There is not a single conversation here from here also. It was just an overlap, not a single conversation. All down flat. All down flat, to be really honest. All down flat, but all really unpredictable. All down flat because really unpredictable, because you cannot mention it. It's just straight and straight and straight. 2355, and here as you can see 2351 seems to be a good bar with a whiskers here also, and but still same kind of patterns we have seen it before also and done a mistake, so this is also not feasible for us. This seems to be touching up the baseline to the 70 also, and here also, but still it has been a wide length here also. Basically, when I always spoke about to be really honest, one of the dominator indicators also about the wide loop, that was been vortex. Yes, vortex also, and we tend to made a mistake also that time also, I remember it. So don't make this mistake, guys. You need to always find the three best amalgamation and how it has been sure shot. So 2354, 23, and this. So this is 2355, 2355, and here as you can see it how it has been gone up to really. So many of the times I wanted to let you know also, like this how it has been a pullback here also. Like you can see here it was been a pullback and again. So that's what I wanted to let you know also. Like many of the times when you have it into a way, when you see it like a bar of zone, like the conversion of the things and how it has been there, so you need to understand and analyze it and take a good trade about it. Like this how it seems to be the perfect match, and that's how we went up to it from 500. A little bit of strategy, little bit of knowledge, little bit of practice, repetition can make you money if you go step by step. And of course I'll not overtrade right now, and that you should also not do it the overtrade right now as you can do it, because controlling your emotions, mind and everything is the game into this also. So thank you so much. I hope you like it. Do type me on the comments. Do join me on VIP. I'll be waiting for you for your answers and everything. I'll be waiting for you there. So see you guys soon.